Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to my cottage by the sea. It has been quite a while since my last video, and I have missed this little corner of calm and creativity more than I can say. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so grateful you've joined this community, and if you've been here for a while, thank you for always being here with such kindness and support. To return with something comforting. Two of my favorite holiday treats. With so many new subscribers here, I thought it would be lovely to share these recipes again. But before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite traditional treat during the holiday season? I know there are quite a few of you here from all around the world, and I always enjoy learning about your beautiful traditions. Today, we are making plant-based cranberry scones and the softest, coziest gingerbread cookies. Winter has officially begun, and we're in the midst of the holiday season. And today, we also experience the winter solstice, the shortest day and longest night of the year. From this moment on, the daylight slowly begins to return, reminding us that even in the darkest season, the light gently finds its way back. And if you would like to know how I make my traditional German mulled wine that's perfect for the Christmas season, I'll link that video above and in the comment section as well, so you can maybe enjoy it alongside these treats. I love it when it's snowing outside, the peace and quiet that comes with it. I don't think I'll ever not be in awe of snowflakes, knowing that each one is different and unique. I cherish my German Christmas decorations so much, and I'm always eager to unbox them every year. This year, I actually had the chance to go back home for just a few short days and visit family. And of course, I snuck in a trip to the Christmas market, where I enjoyed all the beautiful decorations, the twinkling lights and handmade gifts and ornaments, and of course, the most delicious treats, and a hot glass of mulled wine. As we move through this beautiful season, I wish you a safe, peaceful and restful holiday, and I hope you're able to find moments of comfort and calm in these days ahead. And if you're not able to spend the holidays with all of your loved ones this year, or are missing someone you've lost, just know that you're not alone. Love and connection can still be felt across any distance, through memories, simple traditions, and the quiet presence they continue to inhabit in our hearts. Wherever you are in this world, may this season bring you comfort and rest. And as always, I wish you health, wellness, and joy.